amazing trailer. I'm very curious to watch movie. So कंगना, मेरा सवाल आपके लिए ये है, first of all, rumors थे कि आपको वायरस और सलमान के साथ सुल्तान मूवी के लिए अप्रोच किया गया था, लेकिन आपने रंगून चुनी भंसाली जी की, तो कितनी सच्चाई है? और सॉरी, हाँ सॉरी, भारद्वाज जी की, तो कितनी सच्चाई है?
Well, the thing is that I've already given my dates to Rangoon, and that's why I couldn't do that film.
एंड इमरान, ये फिल्म आपके लिए कितनी इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्योंकि इससे पहले आपकी फिल्में जो है बॉक्स ऑफिस पर इतना कमाल नहीं कर चुकी, तो कितनी एक्सपेक्टेशंस है इस फिल्म से?
मैं अपनी फिल्म से कभी एक्सपेक्टेशन रखता ही नहीं हूँ, बिकॉज देयर इज नो वे टू नो व्हाट विल हैपन। उम्मीदें बहुत है क्योंकि ये फिल्म मेरे लिए बहुत बहुत खास है। जैसे कि मैंने कहा, आई हैव हैड वन ऑफ द बेस्ट वर्किंग एक्सपीरियंसेस ऑफ माय एंटायर करियर व्हाइल वर्किंग ऑन दिस फिल्म, सो द फिल्म मीन्स अ लॉट टू मी इमोशनली। अब आप लोगों को पसंद आए ना आए, ये हमारे हाथ में नहीं है, आई डोंट नो व्हाट विल हैपन। But whatever happens, I can say that this is a film which means a lot to me, and I'll always hold my head up very high and say with great pride that this is my film.
क्योंकि कंगना, ट्रेलर के एक सीन में आप कहीं ना कहीं ऐश्वर्या की तरह लग रही थी। वो देवदास वाला लुक है जो आपने, वो अटायर, वो साड़ी और वो सब जो मेकअप किया है, तो वो आपका खुद का आइडिया था या निखिल का था?
नहीं, मैं ऐसा नहीं होता कि एक्टर्स जाएं सेट पर बोले अच्छा आज मुझे देवदास के कपड़े पहनने हैं। फिल्में थोड़े डिफरेंट तरीके से बनती हैं, ये पहले ही डिसाइड हो जाता है।
एक्टर्स ऐसे करते हैं,
लेकिन सर, तो मुझे आपने वो तमा तमा वाला कॉस्ट्यूम क्यों नहीं दिया फिर?
I tried.
नहीं, ये पहले ही डिसाइड हो जाता है। ये राइटर्स पहले ही, जब स्क्रिप्ट होती है, जब हम लोग भी नहीं ऑन बोर्ड होते, उस वक्त ये सारे जो हैं सीन्स जो हैं डिसाइड हो जाते हैं।
Imran, Kangna, over here, towards the left, center. Very simple question. There's a lot of chemistry that's translated on screen. How comfortable, how easy, or how difficult was it to work with each other? It's your first film that you guys are doing together. So, how was the experience of coming on board first day? When you guys found out that you are going to be working with each other.
It is the first time, but we have had missed connections many times in the past 4-5 years. Where you remember that photo shoot we had done? How many years ago was that?
People magazine.
People magazine का photo कुछ 6-7 साल हो गए. We had done a photo shoot together and we had hit it off very well. We said, yeah, we should do some work together, and it either worked out that I was doing the film and she was not doing the film, or she would do the film, I would not do the film. So this missed connection kept going for many years. And there's always this thing here, at some point we have to do something together. And I'm really, ultimately I'm glad that it ended up being this film, because what Kangana has brought to her role, brought to the film, I feel that no other actress could have done justice to that. It is a very demanding role. It's a very tricky role. When you see the film, आप सब समझ जाएंगे. And it requires a certain finesse and a certain craft, which very few actors possess.
Kangna, the same feelings for you while working with Imran?
Same to you. Sorry, I keep calling my actor friends, by character names. I don't know why I do that. But no, Imran is a delight to work with, and he's just like this on the sets also. Always very balanced, very centered, and he never loses his cool, and he's very calm whole day. Mr. Mercurial is there. He will be shouting, and the next minute you look at him, he will be like giggling with his body shaking.
What is Nikhil's favorite word on set,
What?
Can't say it in public, but you know which one.
You can say it. It's fine.
लेकिन यहाँ बच्चे वगैरह होंगे तो.
Nikhil, this question to you. Why over here? Why Kangna? Because Imran also, but why specifically Kangna for this role?
Okay, so Payal's role is very, how do I put it? The role is, it's very unpredictable, it's very volatile, it's very spontaneous, she's slightly mysterious. And I've always felt that from the time that she did even Gangster or the role that she did in Fashion, I've always felt that there is so much more to Kangana Ranaut than maybe any of us have explored. And then when I saw Queen, what Vikas had done with her, it was fantastic. He had taken her, he had allowed her to fly. So she was the logical choice. I didn't know she would actually do it. Went to her, and then now she's standing here.
Right. Nikhil, another question for you, digressing a little bit from the topic of Katti Batti. Just one small reaction from you. Just recently, FTII, the students of FTII are protesting for the appointment.
FTII guys, say something.
Right. Specifically, that's why the question to you, because you are a director and you've worked with FTI as one of those institutes that brings out the talent in the industry. They're protesting about the appointment of the chief, Gajendra Singh, because they don't think it's a fair appointment and the process should be more transparent. Any reaction that you've got for this?
I agree. I completely support the protest. I agree. I think that the FTI over the last 50 years has produced some of the most immense and magnificent talent that is there in this industry, and I'm sure that they can actually find somebody from FTI who knows what it requires, A, to teach the students over there, and B, what the students need when they come out from there. So I completely support the protest.
Imran, Kangana, anything to say about this? Because you guys are actors. There is a certain sort of an intellectual process involved in filmmaking. And FTI is one of those.
This is the first time hearing about this. I'm not aware of.
So what we'll do is actually we've got Nikhil's quote on that, so we'll move ahead on that.
Alright.
Something about the music which is fantastic, Nikhil, and we've got a young talent sitting over there in front. He's now become very big also. But it is, I know a lot of people say foot tapping music, but it's not always foot tapping. But this one's been playing for 2 hours in my ear, and my foot was moving like this. So how did that come about? And we call Siddharth on stage.
I've been very fortunate to be able to work with Shankar Ehsaan Loy from Kalona from the time that.
You're a loyalist. You believe in that.
Yeah, completely. So you can hope to see Imran and Kangana and a lot of my friends. So so I like to be very safe and structured, and Shankar Ehsaan Loy have always completed everything that I want. We completed the music of this film in 6 days. 6 songs, they made me hear 6 songs, and I said all 6 of them, which is very rare. And a big also contribution is Kumar sir, who's sitting over there. Sir, nobody's going to believe that you've written the lyrics of this song, of this film, because all your chichorapan is gone. So he's a very big contributing factor. But yeah, I mean, Sid is there. His first song was for a small film of mine called Delhi Safari, and now he's here.
My question is to Imran and Kangana. कट्टी बट्टी तो जिंदगी में लगी रहती है एक्चुअली, तो ऐसा कोई इंसिडेंट कभी कोई याद हो बचपन में या आपकी अभी बॉलीवुड में कि आपने किसी कट्टी हुई और बट्टी करवाई हो? डू यू बिलीव इन दैट? आई मीन टू से बहुत बार ऐसे होता है कि हमारे क्लोज फ्रेंड में कट्टी हो जाती है, बट देन यू आर लाइक
यार सच कहूं तो बचपन के दिन के बाद ज्यादा कट्टी बट्टी हुई नहीं है।
प्रोफेशनली आल्सो यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट लाइक बहुत ड्यूरिंग द मेकिंग ऑफ द फिल्म कभी ऐसा होता है कि मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग हो जाती है, कट्टी बट्टी हो जाती है?
आई थिंक हमेशा होती रहती है ऐसी, क्योंकि कभी आपके छोटे आई थिंक जब खासकर एक्टर्स या जो भी आर्टिस्ट हो, डायरेक्टर्स हो या जिनके साथ आप काम करते हैं, बहुत ही सेंसिटिव लोग होते हैं, तो छोटी छोटी बातों पे नाराज हो जाते हैं, पता भी नहीं चलता नाराज है किस बात पे नाराज है, तो उस तरह से फिर उनको मान भी जल्दी जाते हैं। तो ऐसा कट्टी बट्टी तो हमारी इंडस्ट्री में तो बहुत
कर रही है या निखिल की तरफ?
नहीं, आई थिंक अगर जो भी आपके दोस्त हो, चाहे आप हो या कोई भी हो, तो आई थिंक कोई छोटी छोटी बातों पे तो सभी नाराज हो जाते हैं, उसमें तो कोई वो नहीं है।
मतलब कभी आपने सुलह करवाई ऐसे?
आप नाम जा रहे हैं या कुछ?
नहीं यार, thank you.
Kangana, yeah, hello.
Okay, that's the last question.
Last question to you,
thanks,
Kangana. Correct me if I'm wrong. How true is it that after back-to-back hits like Queen, Tannu Veds Mannu, whatever scripts comes your way, you have turned out to be more choosy and pricey for the script that comes your way? So is it true?
चूजी तो इंसान हमेशा ही होना चाहेगा, चाहे आप सक्सेसफुल हो चाहे नहीं, ये बात अलग है। आपके पास कभी ऑप्शंस होते हैं, कभी नहीं। तो पहले मेरे पास ऑप्शंस नहीं थे, उसका मतलब ये नहीं था कि मैं चूजी और प्राइसी नहीं होना चाहती थी। अब ऑप्शंस है तो अब आई कैन अफोर्ड टू बी चूजी एंड प्राइसी, लेकिन ऐसा आप हमेशा सोचते हैं, लेकिन जब आपको वाकई में कोई स्क्रिप्ट पसंद आती है, तो जैसे निखिल सर ने कहा, विदाउट इवन थिंकिंग चॉइस, प्राइस के बारे में या मेरा रोल क्या है या किस कैरेक्टर का ज़्यादा रोल है, you just get so involved, it's like falling in love, or you just don't know what consequences.
लेकिन कट्टी बट्टी की बात हो रही है, तो there are newspaper reports saying that Kangana is having a cold war with Deepika Padukone, but next day only you are having a party with each other. So what is it all about, the chemistry between both of you, what is the bonding? Bonding, I mean.
It's कट्टी बट्टी.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. We'll do a little photo op with the phone. It is cool.